Hello, it's the £1 Gamer again today, and today's video is going to be on how to clean the Salter air fryer, the 2 basket air fryer that I got from Lidl for £99. So what I'm going to do, I've left it as dirty as I can bear to leave it, just to do this video. But the touchscreen isn't as dirty as I could be getting, so what I'm going to do is get a bit of butter and just dirty up a bit, just to show you how easy it is to that's probably a bit too much, but just for the video. And doesn't matter if I get this part dirty at all. And I've left it from last night's dinner and cooked it a bit more after to crisp it up a bit. And so I'll show you how you can easily clean that. And on the other side, also from last night's dinner, and I normally just clean it near enough straight after dinner, but today, last night I left it. So what you can do, put a bit on this side and here. So crumbs a bit dirty on the side and not too much on the other side. So all you do is you can just get a bit of warm water, a damp sponge, and on the top you can just do that, and then on the side you can just wipe it. I'll just do that, and then that will be the size done. And then what you can do straight away, you can just wipe it down to get it dry. And as you can see, it's still a bit there, but what you do is mix that bit, and then enough, perfect. And then on the front you can just do this like that, and obviously if it's not that dirty, hopefully it won't be that dirty for you, and you can just wipe it off. That will obviously be a lot easier for you because you won't be putting butter on the screen. But what I normally use is IPA, surgical rubbing alcohol. This is not 9%, but I've actually run out of that. But this is another way of doing it. And then, as you can see, that is nice and clean and ready to go. And then you just dry it, and there you go. Excuse me, that is done. Now obviously with these you can just wipe these down if you've already done the inside, and these are easy to clean coating, and then on the other side, and then just do that on both sides, and again just wipe it off to dry it, and then you're done. But on the insides, obviously you need to take these out. So what I do, I keep the warm water flowing quite hard, and you can just take these out, and they just come out like that. So you can leave it running under the water, and I've got this brush, and all you do is, obviously it'll be easier with 2 hands, but hello darling, and then get that done until it's clean, and then on the other side, no harsh chemicals needed. get that done, and a good trick for this side, you get a spatula, and then all you need to do is, let's see if I can do this one-handed, is get everything to one side. So one side, as you can see, is easy as that to clean it, and then you can put it in the bin or a food bin. But what I'm going to do just for this video is just put it to one side right there, and then get the rest, and just put that there. And then what you can do is just rinse that round with the hot water that you've already got going, and then you're good to go. Then put it back in, and that'll be perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, I'm back. So let's take about 2 minutes, maybe 2.5 minutes, to wipe this down with hot water. It just comes off because as it is non-stick, you don't want to scrub it too hard. So with this, you just want to lightly do it like that in a circular motion, and then where the grates are, you want to go up and down, and then on the other side you do the same, and then it should be clean. And there's just a bit of paint, and then same inside. But what you want to do is use sponge just to get into the hard to reach bits, and then around there, and as you can see, it is very clean. Now all you have to do is wipe it down, or you can use the air fryer to dry it off. So once that's done, you can slide this back and then just put it back in there. Now if I can show you the inside. So what I did the other day, I used a bit of the rubbing alcohol, but as it hasn't been that long, all you can do is just take a towel and then just wipe off the condensation, and around here, but the top. So what you can do here is have a bit of soapy water and scrub the coils, the elements, and try and get as much as you can, so you can hopefully get most of it off. But as you can see, I've done the middle coils right here. I couldn't get to this bit unfortunately, but should be okay. I'll be trying that again next week. So, and then as I said, you just put it in and you are ready to go, clean and ready to go. So I'll plug it in and show you it still works. As it still works when it's slightly dirty, so it all still works. And then make sure all these still work, and then change it to number 2, and yes, it all still works. Just got to keep your finger on the on button, and yes, so all clean, all still works. Looks new, although it's a bit wet. So, and let's get me. Hello baby, hello darling, and there you go. So later I'll do the other side, and that is how easy it is to clean the Salter dual air fryer. So thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps, and leave a comment and have a good day.